Welcome to an introduction to gardening and farming by Petranilla Estrada. Dedicated gardeners and farmers, thank you for joining me on this journey. I am Petranilla Estrada, also known as Pet, and agriculture is my passion. My goal is to inform and educate you on all aspects of gardening and farming by sharing my knowledge acquired over the years. Feel free to ask questions, give feedback, and make your comments. Let's farm like never before. A garden is a planned space, usually outdoors, set aside for the cultivation, display, and enjoyment of plants and other forms of nature. A farm, also known as an agricultural holding, is an area dedicated primarily to agricultural processes. Farming and gardening can include rearing livestock, which includes bees and aquatic animals. With technology, farming and gardening, despite the definition, can be both indoors and outdoors. Plants can also be grown in soil or in water-based substrates. Going forward, information will be provided on a range of agricultural topics. Just a disclaimer, the content used in these publications is intended for educational and informational purposes only. They represent the research and views of the creator and is a guide, not a one-size-fits-all solution to gardening and farming. The creator will not be held liable for how viewers interpret and use the content. All rights to images, music, clips, and other materials belong to their respective owners. The creator does not claim ownership over any third-party content used. Welcome, and remember, you only fail if you stop trying.